ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, the area of triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c equal 0 with the coordinate axis is half mod c square by ab. Based on one example, area of triangle formed by the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. With the area of triangle formed by the line 2x plus 3y plus 5. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 with the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. So what is a equal to? 2, b is 3, c is 5. What is area? Half mod c square by ab. That is half mod c square. This is 5 square by ab. 2 into 3. That is 25 by. This is 6 2s are 12. 25 by 12. So you do problems. Px plus qy area. Px plus qy plus r equal to 0. 12x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. 3x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Area of triangle formed by these lines with the coordinate axis. Next point, the equation of line, this is called slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Equation of straight line having slope m and y intercept c is y is equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Equation of straight line having slope m and y intercept c means what? The line cuts y axis at 0 comma c. X intercept a means what? The line cuts x axis at a comma 0. Y intercept c means the line cuts y axis at 0 comma c. And for this line slope is m. Now to find the equation of line, we have a point with the slope. Point is 0 comma c, slope is m. So equation of line, equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is x and y1? 0 comma c. So is equal to m into x minus 0. So y minus c is equal to mx. Therefore y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. So this is called slope and intercept form. Intercept means what? Y-intercept. Y is equal to mx plus c. Next point. The equation of straight line having x intercept A with slope m. Is y is equal to m into x minus a. Equation of straight line having slope m and x-intercept. X-intercept A means what? The line cuts x-axis at a comma 0 and m is the slope of the line. So this is the point with the slope, point and slope. Then what is equation? Equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 0. M into x minus x1 is a. Therefore, y is equal to m into x minus a. These are the basic points to solve the problems in locus. Okay, we have an idea about all these 2-point form, intercept form, slope point form. Now, reduce the following write down. Next point, the slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is slope of the line minus a by b. Slope of the line is minus a by b. What is the slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c. Where m is slope. This equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. by is equal to minus ax minus c. Y is equal to minus ax minus c by b. Y is equal to minus ax by b minus c by b. That is y equal to minus a by b into x minus c by b. Okay, this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is slope. Therefore, m is equal to m. That is slope is equal to what? minus a by b. Minus a by b. Slope is minus a by b. So, the slope of the line ax plus by plus c equal 0 is minus a by b. The slope of 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 is a is 2, b is 3 is minus 2 by 3. Second one, slope of x minus y minus 1 equal to 0 is a is 1, b is minus 1. Formula is minus a by b, that equal to minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. Next, slope of px plus qy plus r equal to 0 is minus p by q. Okay, na? The slope of x cos theta plus y sin theta plus c equal to 0 is what? The formula is minus a by b. A is cos theta, b is sin theta. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is minus cos theta by sin theta. Minus cos theta by sin theta. Now, reduce the following equations into intercept form and slope intercept form. Reduce the following equations into intercept form. Intercept form and the slope intercept form. First problem, 2x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. First one, intercept form. Intercept form. What intercept form? X by a. Intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1 form. Okay, na? This equation 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 5. Dividing both sides by minus 5. 2x minus 3y by minus 5 equal to 1. 2x by minus 5. Next, minus 3y by minus 5 is equal to 1. This is x by minus 5 by 2. Minus of minus plus y by 5 by 3 is equal to 1. So, x by a plus y by b equal to 1 form. This is intercept form. Next one is slope intercept form. That is y is equal to mx plus c form. Y equal to mx plus c form. Now, the line is 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y. So, minus 3y is equal to minus 2x minus 5. That is minus common both sides. 3y is equal to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Okay, minus is taking common, gets cancelled. Y is equal to 2x plus 5 by 3, that is 2x by 3 plus 5 by 3. So y is equal to 2 by 3 into x plus 5 by 3. So this is y equal to mx plus c form. This is slope intercept form and it is intercept form. Right down. Now you have try yourself. Reduce the following equations into intercept form and slope intercept form. Px plus qy plus r equal to 0. 3x plus 7y minus 5 equal to 0. 4x minus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0. X cos theta plus y sin theta plus p equal to 0. X secant theta plus y tan theta plus r equal to 0. 12x minus y minus 11 equal to 0. Okay, na? Slope intercept form and intercept form. So in locus sum problems in object 2, a straight line of length 9 units slides with its ends A and B always on x-axis and y-axis respectively. X-axis and y-axis respectively. Then the locus of centroid of triangle OAB is where O is origin. First option, x square plus y square is equal to 9. x square plus y square equal to 18. X square plus y square is equal to 27. And fourth option, x square plus y square is equal to 16. A straight line of length 9 units slides with its ends A and B always on x-axis and y-axis. This is the rod of length. So let the coordinates of A comma 0, coordinates of B 0 comma 0, where O is 0 comma 0. Then the locus of centroid of triangle. To find the locus of centroid, let x1 comma y1 be the centroid. To find the locus of circumcenter, let x1 comma y1 be the circumcenter. To find the locus of orthocenter, let x1 comma y1 be the orthocenter. To find the locus of incenter, let x1 comma y1 be the incenter. To find the locus of midpoint of AB, let x1 comma y1 be the midpoint. So here we have to find the locus of centroid. Let x1 comma y1 be the centroid of triangle, and also given a rod of length 9 units. Okay, let x1 comma y1 be the centroid. Centroid of triangle OAB. Therefore, x1 comma y1 is equal to centroid formula x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay na? The formula is 0 plus a plus 0 by 3. Next 0 plus 0 plus b by 3. So the triangle OAB, that is equal to a by 3 comma b by 3. So this is x1 comma y1. So x1 is equal to a by 3, implies a is equal to 3x1. y1 is equal to b by 3, implies b is equal to 3 by 1. So a, b values. And also what is given? A rod of length 9 units. Rod of length 9 units. So what is AB? Distance between the points, root of x1 y1 x2 y2 x2 minus x1 whole square plus 0 minus b whole square equal to 9. So this is root of a minus 0 is a square, 0 minus b is minus b whole square, b square is equal to 9. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, that is a square plus b square equal to 9 square is 81, where a is equal to what? 3x1, b is equal to 3y1. So this is 3x1 whole square plus 3y1 whole square equal to 81. 3x1 whole square, this is 9x1 square plus 9y1 square is equal to 81. If you take 9 is taking common, x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 81. So here 9 times gets cancelled. Okay, therefore that is x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 9. Therefore, the locus of x1 comma y1 is x square plus y square is equal to 9. So, first option is correct. Next one, A is equal to A secant theta B tan theta. B is equal to minus A tan theta and B secant theta, where O is origin. Then the locus of centroid of triangle OAB is locus of centroid of triangle OAB is first option. 9xy is equal to AB, xy equal to 9AB, 8xy equal to AB, 9xy equal to A square B square. These are options. Locus of centroid of triangle is by eliminating theta, where theta is a parameter, that is the locus. Locus of centroid of triangle, let x1, y1 be the centroid of triangle. Let x1, comma y1 be the centroid of triangle OAB. So, centroid is equal to x1, y1, or simply you can take x comma y, doesn't matter. X comma y be the centroid of triangle. What is centroid formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. A secant theta minus A tan theta plus 0 by 3. And next y1 B tan theta plus B secant theta plus 0 by 3 that equal to, you can A is taking common, secant theta minus tan theta by 3, and here B is taking common, secant theta plus tan theta or tan theta plus secant theta. So I write secant theta plus tan theta by 3. This is x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1. So, x1 is into a by 3 into secant theta minus tan theta, and y1 is equal to y1 b by 3 into secant theta plus tan theta. So, this is 3x1 is equal to a into secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, na? And 3y1 cross multiplication b into secant theta plus tan theta. Now, the relation between secant theta and tan theta is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then how it possible? If you are multiplying these two, it is possible. Multiplying 3x1 into 3y1, multiplying these two. So, this is 3x1 into 3y1 is equal to a into secant theta minus tan theta into b into secant theta plus tan theta. A into b, so this is AB. Secant theta minus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta. So, this is a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is ab into, it is 1. Therefore, this is 9x1 y1 equal to, therefore, the locus of x1 comma y1 is 9xy is equal to ab. So, first option correct.